Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet.
What are you doing, babe?
Trying to figure out bidet. This thing's strong, alright? Like,
I need it low pressure.
okay, so look, do not turn this to hot, keep this on cold. Okay?
Okay.
Let's go back to this one. Okay? There's your pressure. I'm sorry!
This is what you get when you order Spider-Man from Temu.
Okay. Oh shit.
Damn hard.
Oh my gosh.
He was so excited to play badminton, he forgot to wait till the door was fully open.
Oh. Shit.
I never realized how
I've done that so
fast
many
octopuses camouflage themselves.
Jeez. Fuck. That's scary. Oh,
This guy recently discovered that his nose has superpowers.
holy shit.
Just
That's
technical enough to
crazy.
keep you awake. Not enough that you're fearing through the... Oh, what?
This guy
Oh.
was out kayaking when he made some new friends.
Wow. Insane. Okay.
These wrestling fans decided to have a wrestling-themed wedding.
Oh. Yo. Jeez. Even the countdown.
In Alaska, this glacier had a huge avalanche that crashed into the fjord below.
You're seeing one of the most spectacular things you'll ever see in your life.
What? What? Oh my gosh. Whoa.
This stuntman worked on the new Spider-Man
insane.
movie and was able to provide us a behind-the-scenes look on how they filmed a stunt.
3, 1, action!
Yo.
Go on up, Big D, go on up!
That told me this.
Give me your hand! Carl got you!
Oh, the dog's trying to save him. Shit.
Good boy, girl!
I'm in this super cute bathroom and legitimately almost screamed bloody murder. The hell?
This might be the
What?
most useful reason to wear a hat.
Oh wow. What a way to keep your lunch.
Can I pet it? Yeah. Wait.
Can I pet it?
Yeah. Do I wait until it turns? No, you can do it whenever.
It feels itchy. Ew. Stop touching my ears.
It has an attitude though.
Sheesh. Oh. Oh. Oh.
This massive whirlpool appeared in the narrow Naruto Strait in Japan.
Wow. Sheesh. Animal.
No, I don't want you to get close to me. I don't know what you are.
What the fuck?
The world would be a better place if there were more people like this guy.
There's literally someone's phone, bro. Oh, I don't know who's. I need to return this to the person, bro. This is someone's phone. Yo, hello. Yo, your phone's on the train at West Ham. Here's your phone, guys. And I saw you guys at first, you know. You're welcome. Thank you so much.
Looks like he gave him a tip. What? Oh, you're gonna fall.
A few days ago, this volcano in southern Japan erupted, creating a huge cloud of smoke.
Sheesh. Oh, jeez.
This guy parks his truck like he's in a Fast and Furious movie.
Yo. Yes.
Yeah, it's going that way, yeah.
That's sick. What?
He was on a
Wow.
vacation with his friends when his parents asked him for a video of what they were up to.
Hoi papa, hoi mama. Wij zijn gearriveerd in de villa en we zitten lekker te relaxen al. Kijk, Victor is al lekker bruin aan het worden. Yes, en de jongens zijn lekker muziek aan het spelen. Ah, mooi man, mooi. En dan hebben we hier Sil, die is lekker aan het zwemmen.
Oh.
There we go.
This is the only property I've ever seen these on. There's a Australian post there, Australian post there, short laneway, and this whole thing. If I'm strong enough, which I am, the whole fence lifts up, man. You put a chain around the post, do you look?
Wow, okay.
And you sheep straight under it. It's a cool idea, I think.
Does anyone know why the
Wow.
clouds are shaped this way?
You're gonna fall if you pry this off, Saffron. That is the suction cup that keeps you in that bed, floating. Told ya.
One of you guys sent me this video of this melting ice that was making a pattern.
The longer I stared at it, I was like, yeah.
What is that water?
Let's see.
Has to be. Yo. Jeez.
This little guy was playing on their friend's car, so they stopped to take a look.
It is so cute.
Oh.
Hi, baby. Oh my goodness, are you stuck?
There's people in that car.
Are you serious? Are you serious?
Maybe the people are scared.
No, that's a bear.
In the car.
That's a bear in the car.
Oh, there's a bear in the car.
How did it get in there?
We need to just open the door.
Are you?
You're gonna open it?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Wow. Oh my god.
Sheesh.
I don't think he's watched the movie.
Oh boy.
Yeah, so I was thinking those laws were bad before.
They're pretty bad now. Holy.
This putt is for the match.
Oh, that's such a cool light. Is that how I switch it off?
This guy climbed Mount Blanc in the French Alps to see the ultimate sunrise.
Yo. Yes. The things people do. What? That's insane. Jeez, wow.
I don't think he's quite figured out hopscotch yet.
Okay, your turn. All the way.
Oh, jeez.
Yo, I gotta show y'all this. The sky's like almost completely clear, but there's like one cloud and it's just non-stop lightning. It looks crazy. Like what? Hold on.
What?
Hold on. Like what?
I just walked into the most awesome restroom in the world.
This guy's a egg. Yo.
This is such a bizarre way to fix the stove.
Maintenance came and did like maintenance on my stove, and it like
added this little sticker to it. So when your stove is turned off, you scan the little barcode. It takes you to this page when you scan the QR code.
What? Turn it off with the laptop.
Look at that!
That's insane. Oh, there's a fail. Oh. Ah.
Oh boy.
Oh
no.
Even the dog goes.
Oh no, Stella's out of here.
One of my subscribers found a secret feature in their car.
Hey, I found a little beat.
Cool. Oh. Oh, he's trying it. Oh, yo, you got it.
This guy made a
Yo.
tutorial on how to create bubble rings.
So for me, the way that I find works best is I sort of tuck my fingers in, arms underneath like that. Back of the hand is pretty flat. And I put these two knuckles together, the flat part of those two knuckles, and I flick the wrists.
What? That's so crazy.
I'm like Alice. Yeah,
That's from Twilight. What?
This guy managed to see how they filmed the storm scene from the Odyssey.
Oh wow. Yo. Tons of production that goes into movies.
Really bad. The camera makes it look so much better than it actually is.
So I'm just editing a thumbnail and found a little hole in the image, and I used generative fill, the AI software in Photoshop, so fill this hole with just background. So I was hoping it would just fill it with this black stuff, and this is what I went with.
I've never seen Instagram on a flip phone before.
Oh. No, that's new. Okay. That's like... I wouldn't...
Have you ever seen an invisible balloon?
You guys want me to look for fish?
How are you gonna look for fish?
You gonna look for fish? That's...
I don't know fishies.
So then what happened? Okay. You're so cute.
Look at how crazy these ice formations are at Abraham Lake in Canada.
Ew. Crazy. What? How many takes did you have to do to get that dry? Oh.
The spores from this leaf make for a great tattoo.
¡Hola!
Yo.
¡Qué bonito el tatú vegetal, eh!
Yes.
Hola, madre
Toma,
Wow.
todas las esporas, qué bonitas quedan.
Oh.
Paige, could you do me the honor of picking a number between 1 and 50? Do you have your number, Paige?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I need you to share that number with the audience so they'll be amazed when it gets it right. Don't worry. I'm going to close my eyes first so I don't hear you. Tell the audience your number now.
32.
Have you told the audience your number, Paige?
Yeah.
What's that?
Yes!
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you. My eyes are closed. My bad. Sorry. I have your number. 41.
Yeah.
That was it?
Yeah.
Wait, what happened to 32?
What? Your skills. What is he gonna do with that thing? What the fuck is he doing? Jeez. Okay.
I knew the place I was working at was country, but full, empty. EMT. Empty.
Oh, that's so cute.
Oh my gosh. You instructed the car. I would like
Thomas.